Alright, hello. I have grabbed a little bit of a smaller handful today because I'm going to try and keep these videos closer to 5 minutes rather than 10 minutes. And I always think, oh, it won't take that long, but it does. Okay, so these are all items from the big box of ephemera I've been sorting through. And this is from 1939. It's a tax assessment. Grand total of all taxes, $22.22. Yeah, those were the days. Sweet little photo. $19.23 state and county tax receipt. $43 for that one. One's a little rough. This is, we got 55 acres. Oof. Tax bill for 1930. 55 acres. Trying to see the total. $23 or $93. Either way, not bad. Must have been 23 because this one's 1926 and that's from 1932 and 1931. Cool papers anyway. Be great collaging backgrounds. And we have a greeting card. This is from 1944. I think it's funny that this came from Phoenix. Went to Kentucky. I bought this box from Indiana and I'm in Arizona. So well-traveled little piece of mail here. Father's Day for grandfather. I just love how they put like texture and whatnot on these old greeting cards. They're just very, very special. 1941. I wonder, the paper just feels so different from that time. They must have had a higher cotton content or something. On grandfather's birthday with love. That is so cute. I love the little window here. Fun. And we got some tissue paper here. Seems blank. Probably for a pattern of some sort. Neat color. Be great for stamping on and then using matte medium to put it onto a background. Oh, I found a picture earlier of a lady in front of this, or behind this bush, and this little boy was looking at her. He doesn't look pleased. Here's some more of that tissue paper. Like maybe another tax receipt. Supervisor's notice of raise in assessment of taxes. Oh, tough times. 1939. And we have state and county tax receipts again for do we have a date? Anybody see a date? The taxes for the year of 1918. Wow. Alrighty. I don't know if this is for the same. It's a little different. But some pretty impressive numbers for back in the day. $54.39 for total state and county taxes, 1920. I mean, $54 in 1920, that was a lot of money, I'm guessing. All right, and last but not least, we have Funk's Hybrids. Too bad that Funk didn't have an E on it. I would know exactly where to send this. I have a friend with that last name. What are these? Little receipts for something. Corn? Yeah. So this is just a little 1948. It's a little notebook. Got some doodling numbers jotted down in it. Not a lot, but super cute. Oh, love that. All right, well, I did manage to keep it under 6 minutes today, so I'm getting closer. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time.